Ika is a CLI on top of Sui binaries to help you with smart contract development. Firstly, we're going to go to GitHub and we'll go to the organization Ludex Labs, and then the repo is called Ika. If we scroll down, there's a really simple script to install Ika onto your machine. So let's copy and paste that into our terminal. Once you have it installed, it should be right on your machine. So let's write Ika, and we'll be able to see all the commands that currently are operational on Ika. We have new, test, and update Sui. Now let's go through each one. Firstly, there's new. So here, Ika new allows you to build a new Sui project. Let's go into Foo. So as you can see here, very standard. It creates your move files, a regular example application. We're using counter from Sui examples. We have the tests as well. And we also provide you a JavaScript test. Now this is important right afterwards, because now what we're going to do is we're going to look at Ika test. So you see the next command is test. So let's run it. And what this does is it runs your move tests, and then it runs your JavaScript tests on a local Sui node in a very simple, streamlined way. And if instead of using JavaScript tests, you can actually put whatever script you want in this test field, and it'll run that with the build and the Sui key store. So it gives you all the keys that you need to be able to sign any transaction you need on your local Sui instance. And then finally, our last feature is that we have Ika update Sui. This very simply just makes it a little bit easier to update your Sui binaries. Instead of going to the website and finding the link, you can just use the update Sui. The main reason we built Ika was that the most important part after your initial flow of your contract is testing your public entry functions, because that's what your dApps actually run on. And this is what Ika test enables you to do. And these interactions are typically written in JavaScript or Python for Sui. In our case, it was JavaScript. In our contract, we actually have tests that we've written where it's a move call and then we sign and execute the transaction block. So we ensure that this transaction works, and then we're able to copy and paste directly into our dApp, and we know that it'll work because it was functional on our test. That's it, and thank you for looking into Ika.